Tara tukugite ukabere ARIMU bara BAUMARUKIRE NGUGINE ije nyuma ya miaka yao yo tungata kuthira bakumano thimenti ni bariritie mantu nkavo tara baringienda kumakire thirikari bakiaria baugite kuringibwa mono bakiumba kwamukira mbeta ciao cia retire KUREO kenda kubebukania na mithangiko no akiara mubunge wa Korotwa kumamira ugite agaikiara waria mbungene rwa kwendekithia bamukaire michara mwankandira mbeca CIAO cia retire ikarekairwa ni thirikari muthuri Muriuki na gutariria
ntuke muthoni na arua itwe ntukwe kugwirwa kiriari mbogumano thimenti barabonde bomete kuritaya undo nyuma kwira mwe na kuthambethia micetho yao ingire mwe kuirikani nya kuguranirwa amna Bubu atongire mwanya bombo kinya kiatho nigiki nikenda gukungwira bagekira ARIMU inya na njire kuria thirikari itigire no kuria ARIMU baba barabonde bombete kuritaya.
After working for the government for many days, we want the retirement benefits of every teacher who teaches and reaches the retiring age, the benefits to be seamless. And this is why we are saying, if there's anything that we can do, and there's something that we can do because Parliament is where registration is done, we are going to bring up a bill together which will ensure that teachers, when upon retirement, they get their retirement benefits on time. We are not tired. We are retired, but not tired. Making kwenda ARIMU by one of the menti who form group where I think there is a group. This is a group. But take either a registered bwaga, bukadra buena mbecha bweteta bwaga, nyakarambwa kongera agina kawe. Na noto ino the menti denda makofi. Na wange bore wike message nyakada nara saudi menti inyabo ikundi bya badithia bwaga registration na account kenda nabo nyomba nekera kagina kaga getwa table banking. When you tired, you can also help one way or the other. Because let us be our brother's keeper. Buru as a community, to chokiara to arimbere, to tigautaga mwana arua mtomwe, to taga mwana arua community yonde. Wanaenda wanatuletea ma certificate kutoka Nairobi. Tuko nazo, mtoto amefanya sijui nini, tuko na BCom, mtoto amefanya nini, lakini mtoto ni makaratasi, mtoto mwenyewe tumempoteza. Watoto wetu wameingilia pombe, wameingilia dawa za kulevya.
Amna Bubu, Speaker Bwetu agwite kinyawe akethwa akiaria ARIMU baba kithirikari county Meru kono nyabo gutetheka.
Na yani no ndo retirement. Yani bikira niki amene okiriko okay, no ndote chokete na okaire kethe bukwa mukinya bete plus ire anchokete na okaire ukiomba kumana bwachokaniria kanywa jau jange neisi imantu very simple na very sure nyato itaokarande na ngabana inyako na siroti cia mbundi jirikana ithatu ugeke obadatu kana bana mbundi ine inyagu ukababugwire turi abutrime ne bukona bwena ntubai
na mubunge no thimentera imdaud onekana mono akimeneria mandonya maandamano chaja thikite mwenjwe goro.
Unajua Kibaki aliingia tukamaliza deni ama amujui, si ndio? Mnajua. So Rais Ruto ametuambia that is the same thing, anataka kufanya tujitegemee. So walimu nawaomba, na najua kama Meru hatuko tayari kuenda kwa maandamano. Tunataka kwenda maandamano kweli? Tunataka kufanya kazi. Maandamano ile tutafanya ni ya kuendelea maendeleo. Hatutafanya maandamano ati tunafanya signatures, sijui tunafanya. Mtu kama hata hakupata milioni 7 Kenya mzima, ataweza kupata hiyo signatures kama milioni 10.
Because I believe Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, and I'm not ashamed to say this, he reads the Bible only one book. Ile inaitwa Lamentations. Because kasi ya kitabu ya Lamentation ni lamenting all through. But he should be informed today The Bible is made up of very many other books. Even Revelation is a book in the Bible.
Nkiripotera Boru Weekend, Bwetu Muriuki.